Imagine sending a sticker on Telegram, and that sticker isn't just a cute animation. It's a digital asset you actually own. Sounds wild, right? Well, that's exactly what Telegram is doing by tokenizing stickers, and even limited edition gifts as NFTs on Ton blockchain. This isn't just about fun chat icons. It's about creating digital collectibles that could have real-world value. With Telegram ranking as the 6th most downloaded app worldwide, this initiative is set to reach almost 1 billion users. Yeah, this is big. Stickers in Telegram are more than just silly faces or fun animations. They've become a core part of how we communicate, letting us express our moods, crack jokes, and show our personalities. Now, with the new sticker store, these stickers are evolving. You can buy tokenized stickers, owning a version of that's uniquely yours, verifiably scarce, collectible, and tradable. Top-tier IPs like Pudgy Penguins, Flappy Bird, and Bored Ape Yacht Club have already jumped on board, with many collections selling out fast. You can easily get your hands on these stickers through the sticker store using Telegram's in-app currency, Stars. With limited drops, rare editions, and growing demand, these stickers are becoming digital assets with real value. And then there are gifts. Telegram is taking digital interaction to the next level, turning animated GIFs into fully tradable NFTs. And the response has been massive. Some of these GIFs are rare and released in limited quantities, making them even more valuable. The Valentine's Day drop of 2,000 GIFs sold out in just 6 minutes. Telegram GIFs are available on NFT marketplaces like GetGems and Tonal. You can also convert your own GIFs into NFTs on Ton blockchain. Simply go to Settings, My Profile, GIFs. Select your gift and tap Transfer. Send via blockchain. Once tokenized, your gift becomes a unique digital asset that can be showcased, traded, or sold on Ton NFT marketplaces. As we draw this to a close, it's clear that Telegram has evolved beyond simple messaging. It's now your gateway to Web3, where digital collectibles can enhance your profile and showcase your individuality. The ways we communicate and own digital content are evolving rapidly, and you won't want to miss out. So, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.